Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Decor Inspo. Welcome design lovers. Have you ever walked into a room and felt an instant sense of warmth, a touch of nature, a story waiting to be told? Chances are that feeling was sparked by the beauty of wooden. Today we are diving into the wonderful world of unique wooden decorative pieces, not just for making your home stunning but also for a clever way to earn some extra income, something that even has a potential to bring in a little extra income. Unique wooden decorative pieces, wood in its natural state is already a marvel, but when it's crafted with creativity and care, it transforms into something truly extraordinary. Forget those mass produced items you see everywhere. We are talking about pieces that stands out, that sparks conservation, and that brings a touch of nature and artistry indoors. So let's dive into some unique ideas for your own home. Think beyond just a simple curved animals. First considered repurposed wood art. This is fantastic for adding a rustic eco-friendly touch. Imagine old barn wood transformed into a stunning geometric wall hanging, or reclined palette wood cleverly arranged to create textures, features, panels. Each piece has a history, and that history adds so much characters. Next, think about live age wood creation. Live age means the nature ages of the tree is kept intact, giving each a piece of wonderfully organic irregular shapes. Pictures a small live age wood shelf for displaying plant, or a beautiful polished age coffee tables with unique grain patterns. They are naturally artistic and incredibly tactile. Don't forget carved and sculptured pieces, but with a twist. Instead of traditional figures, think abstract form that highlight the woods, nature grains, or minimalist sculptures that play with light and shadow. Imagine a smooth hand curved bowls from a single piece of wood. It curves inviting touch on a series of small abstract wooden blocks arranged artfully on a mantelpiece. For something truly personal, consider personalized wood sign or engravings. This goes beyond just a name. Think about a beautiful pieces of wood engraved with a favorite quite, a significant date, or even a small elegant design that holds special meaning to your family. These make wonderful gifts too. And finally, let's talk about functional art piece. This is a where decoration meets purpose. A unique wooden clock, its face integrated into the wood's natural shapes, or intricately curved wooden coasters that are too beautiful to hide. Even a simple wooden fruit bowl can become a statement piece if it's uniquely shaped or has an interesting journey. Now, if you are feeling inspired and maybe even a little bit crafty, the great news is that creating these unique wooden pieces can also be a fantastic way to earn some extra income or even start a small business. The key here is uniqueness and quality. People are willing to pay more something that feels special, that can they can't find just anywhere. Here's how you can turn this passion into profit. First, start small and build your skills. You don't need a professional workshop to begin. Simple hand tools and a good eyes for wood can get you started. Practice with smaller projects like coasters, small shelves, or decorative blocks. Second, source your wood creatively. Looks for reclaimed wood, from old furniture, fallen branches, or even scrap from local workshop. This keeps costs down and adds to the unique story of your piece. Local mills or timber yard might also have interesting offcuts that are perfect for smaller projects. Third, focus on a niche. Do you love creating rustic farmhouse decor or crave sleek, modern minimalist pictures? Pieces maybe your specialize in personalized items have a clever style will help you attract the right customer. Fourth, showcase your look. Work beautifully. Good photos are essential. Take care, validate pictures of your pieces in a home setting. Describe the wood, the process, and the unique story behind each item. And finally, consider your selling platform. Online marketplace like Etsy are perfect for handmade goods.